students, welcome to your online maths class. We are doing chapter number 4, fractional numbers. You have already learned how to find smaller and larger fractions. Based on the same concept, today we will learn how to write fractions in ascending order. For this, we'll attempt question number 3 from exercise 4.6. So let's begin. We will solve part A of question number 3. Here we are given 4 fractions and all the fractions have same denominator. We have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order is formed when smallest is kept at first place and largest at the last. Here we have expressed the fractions using paper strips. Since all the fractions have the denominator 12, so we have divided these paper strips into 12 equal parts. For 7 over 12 fraction, out of 12 equal parts, we have taken 7 special parts and colored them red. And similarly, other fractions are also expressed. To arrange them in ascending order, we'll keep into consideration the special parts of these fractions. It is very clear that the smallest fraction is with one special part, that is 1 over 12 fraction. So we'll keep this fraction at first place in ascending order. Out of these 3 fractions, the smallest one is with 4 special parts, that is 4 over 12 fraction. So we'll keep this fraction at second place. Out of these 2, the smaller one is with 5 special parts. So we'll keep this fraction at third place. Now the last fraction left, that is 7 over 12, which is the largest of all fractions, we'll keep this at the last place in the ascending order. And this way we have arranged the fractions in ascending order. So we have learned that when denominators of the fraction are equal, the fraction with smallest numerator is the smallest fraction and is kept at first place in the ascending order, and the fraction with largest numerator is the largest fraction and is kept at last in the ascending order. Dear students, now we'll solve part C of question number 3. Here we are given 4 fractions each with same denominator. As we have just learned, when denominator is same, fraction with smallest numerator is the smallest fraction. Out of 6, 4, 9 and 3, 3 is the smallest numerator. So 3 over 11 is smallest fraction and will keep it at first place in ascending order. Out of 6, 4 and 9, 4 is the smallest numerator. So we'll keep the fraction 4 over 11 at second place. Out of 6 and 9, 6 is smaller, so we'll keep the fraction 6 over 11 at third place in ascending order. Now the last fraction left, that is 9 over 11, which is the largest, we'll keep it at last in the ascending order. Now let us learn how to arrange fractions with same numerator in ascending order. Here we are given 4 fractions all with same numerator. We'll express these fractions using equal rectangles. For 4 over 12 fraction, we'll divide this rectangle into 12 equal parts and color 4 special parts. And similarly, other fractions are also expressed in the same manner. To find smallest and largest fractions, we'll keep into consideration the special parts of these fractions. As it is very clear from the figure that 4 over 15 fraction is the smallest of all, so we'll keep this fraction at first place in ascending order. Out of the remaining fractions, 4 over 12 is the smallest, so we'll keep this fraction at second place. Out of remaining 2, 4 over 9 is the smallest fraction, so we'll keep this fraction at third place in the ascending order. And the last fraction left, that is 4 over 7, which is the largest of all fractions, we'll keep it at last place in the ascending order. So students, we have seen that when numerator is same, the fraction with largest denominator is the smallest fraction and we keep it at first place in ascending order. And the fraction with smallest denominator is the largest fraction and we keep it at last in the ascending order. Now we'll solve part B of question number 3. Here we are given 4 fractions all with same numerator. As we have just learned, when numerator is same, fraction with largest denominator is the smallest fraction. And here 12 is the largest denominator. So 5 over 12 is smallest fraction and we'll keep this fraction at first place in ascending order. Now, out of 9, 7 and 4, 9 is the largest denominator. So 5 over 9 is smallest of these 3 fractions and we'll keep it at second place. Out of 7 and 4, 7 is larger denominator. So we'll keep the fraction 5 over 7 at third place in ascending order. Now the last fraction left, 5 over 4, which is the largest fraction, we'll keep it at last in the ascending order. And this way we have arranged all the fractions in ascending order. For your homework, you will solve all the parts of question number 3. Thank you so much.